What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am glad you're here. You know, I hope everyone out there is having a fantastic day. But you know what? I got to get this content in for you guys. So now we're back on working on this 2012 Yamaha R1rebuild edition R1. So if you're first time visiting us, well, guys, we are switching the frame out on this motorcycle. Let's go ahead and let's get a game plan of what we're gonna do on the bike today so we can go ahead and do it efficiently and get this thing knocked out. Well, okay, guys, the plan of action is we gotta tear this whole thing apart. Also, guys, we got the Torx bit that we need for this. So guys, let's not waste no time. Let's get to work. Man, it's so amazing when you have the right tools and the right equipment to make things go so much faster. So there's the rear tail section.
Makes a difference.
Man, this radiator put up a fight, but we finally got it. So guys, let's keep rolling. So I removed the exhaust so it'll be a little bit easier. I didn't want to damage it at all while taking the motor out, so it's the safest thing to do, being that this is a pretty expensive exhaust. I wanted to protect it, so this is it. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and take these blocks and we're gonna set them underneath the motor to get the bike raised up, so and then we can start taking off the swing arm and taking off the front forks of the bike. Hopefully we can take everything off as one unit to make this go a lot faster. So you already know the deal. Let's get to work. Guys, we got the front end off. Look at the wheels. Everything is still on. Didn't have to take off the brake lines or anything, so we still have brakes on this puppy. So no more, don't have to bleed any brakes front or back. So I think I went about it the smart way without taking off minimal things to keep everything all together.
It's like surgery.
No, baby. So guys, this is what we got right now. Of course, I need to set it up a little bit better so we can start taking the frame off and stuff and kind of just everything tilted forward, but it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Now it's actually light. It's easy to move. Now I can support it in the front to hold it up while we take the frame off. But I'm gonna leave this here for right now.
Might need to get like another brick or something for it, right?
I might, yeah. Now, as they say, she's sitting more better now. Alright guys, just like that, this video is over. Man, we made really good progress on this thing today. Man, I'm super excited to go ahead and just get this old frame off and put on a new one. So guys, you already know the deal. If you haven't done so already, follow me on Instagram. The link where you can find me is right here. And also, guys, hit that like button and smash that subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.